I uploaded this video on the 6th of June about Bitcoin prediction, as at the time it was as low as about, I think, $32,000, $32,000, and sadly that video got just 31 views as at today. Today is 26th, today is 23rd of August. From then till today, it just got 31 views. That's because I'm not a big YouTuber, but why I'm making this video is based on that video. All right, the video is all about Bitcoin prediction, and then I made some prediction in that video. I carried on some analysis, some technical analysis that uh, I believe that we both understand, or we all should understand. All right, let me not assume. And then you can see now that the current position of Bitcoin right now is moving according to that chart that I made in that video. All right, if you've not watched that video, it's going to be the first video in the description of this particular video you're watching. I'm going to link it. So we're going to go over my system now and then check out the analysis and see where the pattern is being retraced. All right, so someone once said, someone made a comment that I talk too much in my video. All right, I always talk too much so that you guys can understand, so you won't make some mistakes. All right, so please, you have to bear with me. If it's about the talking, it's the talking that makes up the video, so just get. So let's go to coin market cap. All right, let me shift some of this stuff here. Let's go to coin market cap, because that's where. And then let's click on BTC. BTC increased by 2.71% today. Now when you click on BTC, it's about 50,274.85 dollars today. All right, you can see the chart. All right, now if you go back to this video and watch it from the beginning, all right, you see this. If you check here, you see that this analysis was, I did analysis in hourly, weekly, and monthly. All right, look at this analysis. It's in week. All right, so let's look at this here, and then we might have to click on trading view to have a better perception on what we are looking at right here. All right, this is currently in day. That's BTC against USDT, okay, or against USD. All right, let's take USD. We could just leave it at USDT. Okay, BTC against USDT, against USD. All right, the USD. BTC against USD. That's what we should be looking at right here now. Now let's move this chart to week. All right, now if you look at this analysis we made in week, all right, it's the same thing. This video is about 31 views as at today, being 23rd of August. So it was recorded on June and uploaded on June. And look at the charts here. This is the way we drew the analysis, and then the way we put our support here, and then we fix another one down here, that if it ever goes below this. All right, and then the analysis here was that if when it hits this this other trend line here, and it reflects back, is going to go all the way down. All right, else if it breaks it, then the bull run is going to continue to up to $100,000. all right, else based on just this statistical analysis, Bitcoin should be able to stop around 65, 70 or thereabout. All right, but if it breaks it, it will go beyond. All right, let's go back here, and we can see here, based on this, is the same movement that I analyzed on that video, and you can see that it is yet to get to the point where the barrier is, where the trend line is.
all right, where the resistance is. That's where this is where all the resistance is. So this bull run here will continue. This bull run will continue up to this extent here, and then before it drops back, okay, before it takes a decision, a position whether to either break through or come down. And at those points in time, many persons can convert their BTC to USDT, and we're done. All right, now looking at the Monday chart, all right, which was also analyzed in that video. I think let's shift this to monthly. Yeah, I drew many other trend lines. So if you want to look at the full analysis, you can go back to the video to watch the video. All right, though we expect a good bull run later, I think this video got to an end, sort of. All right, okay, so at what point? Okay, so this side is equivalent to this side. Okay, now you see this is still weekly chart. All right, so I also made analysis on the monthly chart. All right, showing us where it will get to at this point here before it tends to reflect back, as is going to, once it gets there, it's going to continue with the bull run which it is on. So, and within this channel I've made some other typical analysis that shows some concerns about the growth, or where BTC is going to get to, or where it's not going to get to. This is the speculation. This is not a sure, let's say 100% sure analysis that is telling you, okay, go and pack all your deposits and put in, and your savings and put in there. All right, you should be financially okay with the decision you are making concerning investing in cryptocurrency. But it's a good thing to invest in if you have the money and if you can. So I encourage you to do so. So according to the high today is about $50,482.08, and the low is about $48,199.94. So the trading volume for the past 24 hours is about 31 billion plus. All right, and then the market cap is 0.034. So with these, if you check other news based on these Afghanistan soldiers that have decided to adopt kind of adopt BTC as a mode of payment, and many other companies adopting, a lot of platforms are gradually adopting BTC, and that is going to really affect the price in no time. And with this now, this is going to affect the price. And we all know that with this now, in that situation, statistical analysis may not be enough. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you want more analysis like this, like this video, subscribe, and see you in my next video.